Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share DIY Gajra which I create from velvet fabric. So here I have red color velvet fabric. So for creating single flower bird, we want two fabric pieces in circular shape. This circle having 5 cm in diameter. Also using green color cotton fabric for creating tiny leaf pattern around the flower. Here I am folding this fabric to create half circle, then stitching the edges of this fabric by using up and down stitch. Now here we can see flower petal like structure. Repeating the same process for another circle. Now here we have to attach these two petals, also securing the edges by stitching it. Now here I am going to attach this leaf at the base of the flower, securing it by stitching it. Now here our cute little flower bird is ready. If you want, then you can apply fabric glue on the leaf's edges to secure it. Because of fabric glue, the threads will not come out. Now here I have created number of flower birds. Here I am using chain stitch to create a rope. Here I am going to attach the flower at the end of the rope. Here I am using basic rubber band and attaching this rope to the band. Now here our cute hairband accessory is ready. Now here I am using wool thread and creating a rope. After that, we have to simply attach this flower on the braid by using thread and needle. Now here our beautiful DIY hair Gajra accessory is ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.